In this video, I'm going to share with you how to use Tubebuddy. Tubebuddy is a tool that will help you grow your YouTube channel. You can find a lot of keywords inside the Tubebuddy's Keyword Explorer tool, and you will also be able to complete doing your YouTube SEO. They have a YouTube SEO Studio inside Tubebuddy. So I'll show you how to use that and how you can optimize your videos so that you can start getting views and your channel can start growing. So check out this tutorial.
Alright, I'm going to show you how to use the Tubebuddy tool. So Tubebuddy has a Chrome extension plugin that you can install for free. So just look it up on Google, Tubebuddy Chrome extension plugin, and you'll be able to install it. You can also follow the coupon code, or you can use the link and you can sign up through my account. And as soon as you install it, you will find that the extension has a top element that's being installed on your browser here. So what you need to do is, this is the official dashboard that shows up when you click on the plugin. Okay, so let me walk you through the features that are available inside this dashboard. You'll see the tools. You'll see that it has a keyword explorer option where you can actually click and launch and explore your keyword and enter your keywords. You will see the score. Is it good to go, or you do not need to target that keyword, or you need to actually look at the competition, check out their optimization strength, and see if you can outrank other creators who are creating videos on topics. And you will also see other tags that are on this end, and you will see the trends as per Google data. And below that you will see click magnet, which shows an official overview of your thumbnails and how your video performs in comparison to others. Below that you have the thumbnail generator, and you have the health report below that. You can also do video A/B testing. You can also bulk process all of your videos, and you have the cop center. Okay, you can scan your channel and discover which videos has been rated as made for kids, and you can change those. And you can also moderate your comments, and you have best practices here. You can follow this, and you can literally check if you have followed all these best practices so that you can optimize your videos and get more discoverability and views. You can also check out the analytics based on your channel and what videos perform well. So you can see that these are the tools that are available on this left hand side, and you can get all your messages here. Okay, here you'll find the industry news, and you'll see all the milestones that you have achieved. So right now my channel is on the beginner stage, so I'd like to walk you through how to use this keyword explorer tool. Before we get into that, let me tell you about the keyword explorer extension tools that is available on the right side. You have the keyword explorer link. You have the SEO Studio, where you'll actually enter your keywords and optimize your title, description, your thumbnail, and everything else. Then you can also add the list of topics that you have planned to create videos on the left on this section called video topic planner. Then you have tag list. You can enter a bunch of tags that you can accumulate and add it under different video topics, and it will also tell you the best time to publish. And you also have the click magnet, which makes it which has all to do with thumbnails. You'll be able to create thumbnails that will be click worthy, and people will be able to click and watch your videos. Then you have the website tools. You can click and take a look at it, which has launchpad, health report, valuation, competitors, brand alerts, A/B testing, retention analyzer, backups and exports, canned responses, promo materials, search rank tracking. And you have your account here. You have your dashboard, you have your affiliate program, you have perks, integrations, other things, and you have the community, and you have support. So what essentially I want to tell you in this tutorial video or the review video here is to help you understand the keyword explorer tool, because everybody wants to get started on YouTube, but they don't know how to find the right keywords, or you're creating videos on YouTube and you're not getting a lot of views. What you can do right now is actually install this Chrome plugin. Okay, and as soon as you get inside your account, you'll have the option to try it out for a few days. Give it a try and go to the section. As soon as you click on this plugin, this pop-up will open, and click on launch keyword explorer. What this does is it opens up the keyword explorer for you. So whatever video topic that you have in mind, let's say you want to create videos on a particular topic. Let's say it's related to self-improvement. Alright, So what you need to do essentially is you need to come here to the search bar and enter the keyword that you want to create video on, or you're trying to see whether you can actually rank in the searches or video idea topic work. So let's say you want to create a video on self-improvement. I have taken for example. Enter the keyword here and hit the explore button. Now when I hit the explore button, you will see all the stats. It shows the overall score. You have the weighted section and the unweighted section. What does this mean? If I click on this question mark icon here, if you click on this question mark icon, it tells you what is weighted score and what is unweighted score. Unweighted score generally means it is the general score for how good this keyword is to target based on the search volume and competition. And weighted score is how good this keyword is to target for your specific channel based on the search volume, the competition, the relevancy, and how you compare to other creators who are currently ranking in search. So for this you need to have pro license. What I would suggest you to do is install the plugin, go ahead and use my coupon or go through my link, and then I want you to go and take a free trial that you'll find inside this membership. You will see that they offer free trial. Go take it up for few days and look it up. So whenever you type in the keyword, what you want to make sure that is if you type in a certain search phrase here or a keyword, if you find that the score is poor, you're getting in the red, think of this as traffic light. When it's red, you do not want to proceed. When it's yellow, it's okay, but when it's green, that's when you move. So whenever you pick any keyword topic, make sure if you type it in the search phrase in this explore bar here, your meter shows it as green. Only then you should proceed and create a video topic on. See, right now I have typed in the word self-improvement, and you will see that search volume is excellent, the competition is heavy here, and the optimization strength is excellent. Meaning if I create a video on this topic, I have to face a lot of competition with respect to my channel, and the search volume is pretty good. Okay, there are a lot of people searching for this. See the number of videos on this search term, 15 million, and the amount of monthly searches that are being estimated are over 350,000 searches. So what you essentially need to do is if you are starting with a root keyword here, type in that search phrase and you will get a lot of other suggestions. Click on those keywords and go down the rabbit hole until you get the green meter. So let it load for a while, and you will get an idea of if you should pursue this keyword or not. So you will get extension keywords that will be relevant to your channel. So I'm clicking on any of these options here, and it will suggest you other topics that you need to focus on and create. So until you get the score that is green, that your meter points to the green side, don't create a video on that, because even if you sit and create a video on a particular topic that you see on the search phrase, your video will not get views and your video will not get a lot of clicks, and you will be disappointed by the effort that you put in. So with relevant to your channel, this meter should be in green, and these markers should also be in the green. Green is good to go, yellow is it's medium, okay, and the red area is difficult to rank. That's how you should understand it. It's like a traffic signal. Red, you should stop, do not go further. Yellow it's medium, and the green should consider an easy territory for you to enter and create videos on. So likewise, you'll keep taking a look at all the search phrases that's being suggested by YouTube, by this tool. Nowhere else will you find tools that will help you figure out what keywords you should focus on. As you can see, the score is not improving with respect to my channel. What else can you do? You can play around with the search phrases until you get the green sign. Also, you can click on this Google tab here, and you can see other search phrases that people are searching for. And if you are struggling, you can also click on these search phrases. that people are searching for. These are the exact search phrases that you need to be creating videos on, because this is exactly what people are searching for, and these are the video topics. And if you're looking to add tags to your videos, you can, if you create a video on best self improvement books to read, you can include all of these tags and your video will be found, because you will be able to see the amount of search people are watching videos on these topics. So these tags helps you get discovered, or it helps you recommend your video to people who are interested or looking for those kind of video topics, or they clicking on those topics. So I hope you've got an idea of how this Keyword Explorer works. Now let me take you to the other setting, which is the SEO Studio. You need to click on this section over here, click on SEO Studio, and you need to enter the keyword search phrase like best self. You'll understand how you need to come up with the description. Now as you keep doing this, you will be able to enhance your SEO score. Make sure to increase your SEO score to 100%. So now in this first section, you'll have to, step 1, you have to focus on title and description. Best self improvement books to read is the keyword phrase that you're going to focus on. Now it's 53%. Step 2 will be, it has got to do with tags. So what you need to do is, as you've picked the target keyword, make sure to include the target keyword in your tags. Best self-improvement books to read. Okay, and you need to go and find all the other tags that you've mentioned earlier. Pick all those tags and copy it and paste it here, and your SEO score will go up. And then step 3, you'll have to focus on thumbnails. You'll be able to see the other people creating thumbnails. So if you find that a video has gotten a lot of views, model them, because you need to model what works. Okay, see, this person has done well. It has gotten over 866,000 views. So model after them. Add a bunch of books in your thumbnail, put your face, and come up with a title or a text. Model this and you will be closer to this guy. Next, in step 4 is you need to publish the video or save it. So this is how you work through this. So, and you will always be given suggestions on how to improve this. Include your target keyword in your title. Include the target keyword in the first 60 characters of your title. Best self improvement books to read. Okay, and make sure you at least include 200 characters in the description. Okay, there are templates online that you can literally use on how you can add and improve your description. Just go ahead and download that, look it up on Google. So this is how you come up with SEO Studio, and make sure you optimize your SEO score, your video score to 100%. And if it is 100%, your video will do well on YouTube. So I hope you found this video valuable. So use this coupon code that you see on the screen. Okay, click the link, sign up and create an account, and go ahead and explore this tool and try it out for 30 days. You will literally find value in it. And if you do not find value in it, come back to me and I'll be able to help you out, because it's just going to take a little bit of effort and work into creating a video that will get that will do well for your channel. Most people just go about creating videos without even taking a look at keyword research, because you need to create content on keywords, using keywords that will help your video get found. Otherwise you're spending all this time and energy into creating a video and your video is not getting found. So what you need to do is start with keyword research, find out keywords that will do well for your channel, and then go ahead and use the SEO Studio score and help build up your SEO Studio score to 100% and go from there. I'll see you in the next video.